front of me is Xiaomi 14T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then hold it and click on this icon between two rectangles and the gear one. Now as you can see, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. To turn it into a tiny window, click on Home button and then access it by clicking on Tiny Window at the top right or left corner. To access more options of your floating window, click on those three dots at the top and operate all of those however you want to. You can even click on this X on the right to close your window completely. You can also close your window by swiping it in the background. And to use your app in full screen view instead, hold this line at the bottom and drag it all the way down. When you see this white area, let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!